Hey there. Welcome to the second video of the HTML and CSS tutorial series. In this video, we are going to talk about tags and their attributes in HTML, and we will write our first line in CSS. So, without further ado, let's begin. Here, I have the basic format of an HTML page. Now, all websites have a root folder where all the web pages and files are stored. So, let's create one. Right-click, and create a folder. I will call this root folder. I will save the file as index.html. This tells the web browser that this is the first page of our website. Okay. So coming back. Attributes are added to tags to provide more information on how the tag looks or behaves. Here, let's talk about the attributes of the body tag. One of the attributes of the body tag is the text attribute. Attributes are written in the opening tag of the element. So, we write, text, is equal to, double quotes, and then we put in the value for that attribute. In this case, the text attribute specifies the color of the text of the entire document. So, if we put in red inside of here, and write some text like hello world in the body tag, and open it in the browser, as you can see, the text color is now red. Other attributes of the body tag include BG color, which is used to set the background color of a website. And you can also specify the left margin and the top margin of the web page. Okay, let's see these in action. So, that's how attributes work. Now, let's talk of some basic tags in HTML. One of them is the paragraph tag. The paragraph tag is used to create paragraphs in HTML. The tag is written as a P in angular brackets. It is a container tag, so it has to be closed with a / tag. You can enter text inside the element. This will be your paragraph. So, let's write in some text. Now, if I go to the web page, you can see, the text is in the form of a paragraph. You can align the paragraph with the align attribute. But, let's try doing this using CSS. You can include CSS code into your web page using two ways. The first way is by creating style tag in the head tag. So, let's try it that way. Let's create the style tag under the head tag, which is a container tag. Okay, now we can write in CSS code in here. So, in CSS, we first write the name of the element that we want to style, which in our case is the P tag, and then we open and close curly braces. Now, inside these, we can start styling the P tag. So, we can write color, blue, and end that with a semicolon. And, now if I open up and refresh the browser, you can see that the color of the paragraph has turned blue. So, that's basically how CSS works. Let us look at some more HTML tags. One of the useful tags is the break tag. This is used to create line breaks. So, we write BR in angular brackets. Note that this is an empty tag. So, if we put in the BR tag in between hello and world, we should see them on different lines. So let's test this. I'll open up the browser and refresh. And as you can see, we see them on different lines. The opposite of this tag is no break tag, which avoids line breaks like this. It is written as a no BR in angular brackets. Tags which can be used to format the text include the B tag, which makes the text bold, the I tag, which makes the text italic, and the U tag, which underlines the text. So, here is the example of these tags. Now, let's see them in action. So, I'll refresh the browser, and as you can see, the text formatting effects are working. HTML has special heading tags to mark headings at different levels and sizes. These tags start from H1 and go till H6. Here is an example of the heading tags in use. These are container tags. So, if we test these on the browser, we can see different levels of headings with different sizes, with the H1 tag having the largest size and H6 having the smallest. Okay, so that's how heading tags work. Now, let's talk about the font tag. I would prefer formatting text with CSS, but just so that you know about this tag, we will look into it. We will see formatting using CSS in future videos. The font tag can be used to format text. It is a container tag. Its first attribute is face. It is the font family, or the font style of the text. So, let us type in font, face is equal to, double quotes, Cooper Black. Let's close the font tag now. The second attribute is size. It is used to specify the font size. Let us set it equal to 20, for this example. The third attribute is color, which sets the color of the text. Let's set it to green. Now, if I open it in the browser, and refresh, you can see the font formatting in effect. That's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we will talk about links in HTML. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.